Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to draw vitamin B. First, let's begin by sketching a simple six-membered ring. This will form the core of our vitamin B structure. Next, place a nitrogen atom within this ring, replacing one of the carbon atoms. Then, attach two small methyl groups to the ring, ensuring they are positioned correctly for the basic framework. This initial step creates the fundamental shape. Now, let's add the essential functional groups that define vitamin B. First, attach a hydroxyl group, an oxygen and hydrogen, to one of the carbon atoms on the ring. Next, add a hydroxymethyl group, which is a CH2OH structure, to another carbon. Finally, include a formyl group, a CHO structure, to complete the key attachments. These groups are crucial for its biological activity. To finalize our vitamin B drawing, we need to ensure all atoms have the correct number of bonds. Make sure each carbon atom has exactly 4 bonds, and each nitrogen atom has 3 bonds. Then, strategically place double bonds within the six-membered ring to achieve aromaticity, which is a stable electronic configuration. This step completes the basic skeletal structure of vitamin B. Let's quickly review the process. Remember to start with the basic six-membered ring, then add the nitrogen and methyl groups. Next, attach the hydroxyl, hydroxymethyl, and formyl groups in their correct positions. Finally, complete the bonding and aromaticity. Consistent practice will help you quickly and accurately draw the simplified vitamin B structure. You'll master it in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.